This tutorial I am going to look into using Gimp to select the foreground subject. The method used will be scissor select. The scissor select is about selecting a region based on intelligent edge fitting, that is, it finds the edge between 2 points. By analyzing the area between 2 points, you can see this demonstrated in the tutorial. Select the scissor select tool. Select anti-aliasing, which will give smooth edges. The feather edges will not be selected as it can be done later on as well. Choose the interactive boundary tool option, as this will help to display the future selection when the control node is dragged. This will enable editing on the fly. Zoom to 200 to 400%. Since the pink color of the flower is easily identified, start clicking on the subject edge to begin the selection process. Keep clicking along the edges in small straight intervals to ensure the selection accurately fits the subject. If the selection is not as per the edge, add more nodes and move the nodes to the desired positions. Click on the last point to complete the selection. Do copy, Ctrl C, paste, Ctrl V, then new layer to create a new layer with the subject. Make the original layer invisible and look at the image subject if it is satisfactory to your requirement.